That was sick.
Welcome back to the channel, guys. It is officially our last day riding here at Grizzly Lodge, and it is an absolute beauty of a day. Our whole trip here so far, it's just been snowing and socked in, so we've had pretty good conditions, but very low visibility. Today, it is almost bluebird. The sun is shining on us, and we are just enjoying all the snow that it's been dumping the last few days. So really just the absolute perfect last day and absolutely loving it. It's been another amazing year. This is a trip I look forward to every single year and I refuse to miss. I rebooked my trip for the following year and I'm never going to let that spot slide. The lodge is just such an incredible experience. Come out here, get away from the world for a little bit and just enjoy the beautiful backcountry, enjoy some company. The service is just amazing. The staff, the food, just absolutely nothing but good things to say about the Grizzly Lodge. And when you get good snow like this and the sun, it is heaven on earth. We just finished pulling out of this drainage. Looks like I'm the first one up top. And you can kind of just see what I'm talking about. Not a track in sight, just bumper deep powder. And there goes the sun poking out again. I was gonna sit here and wait and film the guys as they came up, just carving through this meadow. But the sun is shining on me. There's absolutely untouched powder all around me. I think I'm gonna burn some fuel instead. Oh, sad Aiden. Looks nice. A little bit of a drop there. Can be done for sure. Just can't hesitate. That worked out great. Bit of a pillow there, eh? I totally bailed. I just wanted to get the sled up. Looks like it worked. Woo! Well, I tried a couple lines through the trees here, but I just smashed the wall and I just threw the sled hoping it would get on top, and it did. Cleared the nice little waterfall. Now I just got to climb the waterfall, hop on, and go. Okay, so the sled landed perfectly just on top of the waterfall. So I just shoveled out a runway here. You got to get up, and then there's a nice bench just past that tree. Don't have to go far. It's at a slight angle, but on some nice harder snow, I think I'll be able to get on it and go. Hey, there's nothing.
Failed.
Just not enough. That 3 1/4 was digging, but couldn't find enough traction. So I'm calling in the reinforcements. Should be able to pretty easily ski pull it up to that little bench, and I'll be able to get going from there. Darn it, it's worth a try. But at least I'm above the waterfall. Okay, we ski pulled it up all the way to this little bit of a bench. We kind of shoveled out a flat spot. Be able to track poach out of here, and still got a good pull after this. We've got a nice launch pad. Let the boost do its thing. 1, 2.
Fail. Fail.
Of course. Whew. Well, we made it. That last go there, of course, all hyped up, smashed the throttle, and it got caught thinking it was low fuel. Might have been because it was just so steep and it just had a big bog. So I was afraid that it would have trenched a little too much and I wouldn't be able to get the momentum, but hammered on it. The 3 1/4 did its job. It was slow, but we made it up that last bench. And then once I got past that, it was no problem. Big thanks to the boys. We did some ski pulling, but we got her out. That's what it's all about, teamwork. Ryan blasted up that wall. He laid the one track going up and managed to keep going past it. So that's incredible. I think we got it on video, so that's gonna look nuts. And he took kind of the one last strip. I had to go a little further over, and I just kind of hit it and threw the sled over. I just wanted to get it over, and I didn't mind walking up. So had to work for that one, but that was a very wicked way to end this year's Grizzly trip. I think I'm gonna owe the boys a round tonight.